How to fix bad Bluetooth audio on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started with today's video. If you are having some trouble on your Bluetooth audio, first of all click on your search button and search for control panel. Once the page is open, you have to click on sound. Once you click on sound, you will get this sound options. Under playback, right click on your speaker and then disable it once. After that, you can enable it again. Similarly, for the recording, on the microphone, right click on it, disable it and enable it again. Once that is done, you can again go to speaker, right click on it, go to its properties and select if the properties are working fine or not. If it is working fine, you can click on OK. After that, you can go to the levels and make sure that the level is on 100 sound. In the advanced option, you can select for the test option. Once you have made all the necessary changes here, you can cross it all. After that, what you have to do is click on the search button again and open your registry editor. Once the page is open, you have to select the folder HKey local machine. Under that, select the system folder. Under the system folder, search for current control set and then select on the controls folder. Thereby, you will find the folder of Bluetooth. Click on it and under audio, you have to go on ABRCP and on the CT. Hereby on the right side, you will see two files. You have to click on the second volume option, right click on it, click on modify and change the value data to 1. Once you have done so, you will notice that the problem would be solved. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.